Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is your girl Micah Sophia. I am so excited to have you guys back for this dope ass video. So I'm going to be showing you guys for all of my beginners, even if you're a pro at it. I am going to be doing a tutorial on this lovely 22-inch Indian royal grade hair that I have on my head right now. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I do to quickly tack down my wigs really quickly when I'm going out to do something. But in this video, I am going to be showing you guys all about DYHAIR777. So I'm going to be giving you guys all the deets on this hair. It was super affordable. It was super easy to operate. It's super easy to do many different styles with, and I really like it. It's really cool for the summer. But again, before I get into this video, girl, stop what you're doing, put your phone down, or pull your phone up if you're on your phone watching me. Make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button right now. So take a couple seconds, hit the subscribe button. It's free. And then again, make sure you guys are clicking that notification bell so you're notified whenever I drop a new video. I can't thank you guys enough who do support me, who do subscribe, who continue to watch my videos, and who comment down below. And as well in this video, comment down below if you guys are going to be buying this wig as well. And I will have a coupon code in the description box for you guys so you can get some money off of this hair as well. But without further ado, I'm going to get into this video so I can show you guys how I slayed this 22-inch wig really quickly, literally in like 15 minutes. I was able to customize, cut the lace, put this wig on and everything. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the deets. So let's get straight over into this video. I am loving this hair. I am, guys. I'm just like, I'm feeling myself, you know? Let's get into it. Alright guys, so in this video I am going to be talking about DYHAIR777 here. This is a little card that comes with it about hair care, all their information to pack them. They also come with lashes. It came in this simple bag here. As you see, I'm pulling out the hair. It is royal grade, 100% Indian virgin hair. As you see, you have all your lace here in the front. You have 2 combs on each side of the wig. And then you also have a comb in the back to keep your wig secure, along with adjustable straps. But as you see, it is a good, nice parting space, a good amount of lace here. And it's really bouncy, really flowy. I really like this hair. It's really flowy. And again, guys, follow me on Instagram. Now, as you guys can see, I have my hair in these old-ass braids. My hair is just wrapped up for the wig. So we're going to go ahead and sew this wig on really quickly. Alright, there we go. I'm looking all confused and dazed, but let's get right into it, see how the wig looks on. And so the hairline looks pretty natural. If you guys do want to pluck the wig, you can. But I'm going ahead, as you guys can see, the comb right here. We're just going to go ahead and tuck it underneath my braid here to keep it really secure. And then you can go ahead and cut the lace to your desired style if you like.
Say is, it's purple sugar.